Watch. That's Lucky's warning bark. Lucky, why are you swatting him?
Today, we're gonna try a Timbit. You're gonna take a small, gentle bite.
So you stir and particularly under there.
Oh my God! My dog!
They're big on there, don't you? They're not big. What do you think?
Gente, mandaram fazer isso aqui pra abafar o som dos fogos. Mas eu acho que não deu muito certo, não.
The vaccine, right? Like I brought up all these things because I think they're all important conversations. Whatever you believe. Go get it. Good boy. Oh.
Luna, no! Luna!
What again?
Come here.
Hey, Chris, were you taking a nap? Hi. Do you love the couch?
Movik.
You want to go see puppies? You want to go see the puppies? Well, God, oh, all right. Okay. Settle down, settle down. Okay.
Eso me voy a llevar un pan. Con permiso, muchas gracias. Hasta luego. Sigo participando y llevándome los panes.
Odin, what are you doing? Where did you even come from? You were literally over here next to me. What'd you do?
Oh? Улетела.
it? But what is it, Nasties?
Your turn, baby.
Buddy, on Mama's shoe.
Journey, are you happy?
Go upstairs. Come on. No. No. We're going upstairs.
Little bite. Small bite. Take a little nibble. Little or smaller.
Cabrón. No es cierto, mijo, vente. Ven. Ven acá.
ให้วางไว้ตรงนี้เปียกน้ำนี่ที่จะให้วางที่มันเอาที่มัน
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels. And I've peed on 10 trees, so 10 times 2, 20 squirrels. 100.
And then you have to take a straight line route out up over the ditch in order to get in line for the next fence number 6, which he...
Give me that. Give.
Look at what I came home to. You're being naughty, huh? That's why you're stuck.
Careful, my friends. Promise you won't let anything happen to him.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
You walking your dog?
Millie, can I get an hour? No way. Millie, can I get an hour?
Sit. Stay. Get.
Wrigley?
Did you eat the Cookie Crisp? Titan. Did you eat the Cookie Crisp?
Time of 9-9. Joe, we hear you. You sassy teenager.
Huh?
Oh.
Alright, Jingle, you gonna tell everyone? We're having an adventure day! You try it again. Adventure day! Woohoo!
Just my dad taking selfies with my dog. Oh, I can't do this.
Ready? Come on.
Do you think we can make it the whole day without you doing something bad? Did you already do something bad?
You ain't gonna find shit in there. I'm broke because of you. Just kidding.
Uh-oh.
Stella? Hey! Stella!
It's you.
What did you do? What did you do? Bad boy. Bad boy. No.
You think Apple Care is enough? Or should we get the Apple Care Plus plan?
depends. I mean, are you hungry? You want to go outside and get a treat? Yeah, let's do it.
Rocco, go lay down.
No.
No.
Sit. Sit. Shut the fuck up. Sit. 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 Nein, das Bergen zum Deutsch, das hier! That don't want to work, he's German.
Was machst denn du da? Ui.
I'm a happy boy. I'm a happy boy.
What are you doing? You're not a cat.
Not the fair, sorry.
All right.
Carrot? Take. That's not what you're supposed to do.
So this is what love looks like.
Who did this? Buddy.
Dude, that's my hair. Ow! Can you get your dog? I got a big dog I'm finna pull out of here and I don't want her to bite y'all. Come on, please.
Shut the door. Good boy. Shut it. Push. Shut the door. Good lad.
Up to their jaw? Yeah.
Hey.
Did you chew that receipt? Did you chew that? Boris, do you have your bag of food? If you sit still, I still see you.
Sit.
Jefferson, ayan! Kakataas-taas na mapipilay ka eh!
Did you just nod? I think she just nodded. No, it's okay. It's
Okay. Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. Mm-hmm, I see, I see.
Friend. No, like you be nice. That's daddy's friend. Let him pet you.
Okay. Hey, now. Ooh!
Would you like to go? Ooh, that ear. Would you like to?
You posing, Cam?
Gonna do, nigga? What you gonna do? Oh shit! What you gonna do? Oh shit! Oh damn, nigga!
Oh, there was a spatula here from when I made my breakfast. I have to wonder where my spatula went.
Out. Get out. No, get out. Get out. Get out.
No. No.
Okay, Rosie. You stink and it's time to get a bathie.
I won't get in the trash can. And I won't pee on the floor. Say amen.
Okay. Is that don't stop? Is that don't stop?